Good morning, Molly. How are we feeling?
I'm actually feeling quite good.
Good. I have this one clear memory when I was about 8 years old, sitting on a beach, wiggling my toes into the warm sand, whilst picking it up and letting it fall between my fingers. I wondered what I'd be like at 25, what I'd be doing, what goals I would have achieved, where I'd be living, who would be in my life, what I would look like, and if I would be happy. Well, now I know the answers to these questions. If I could speak to my younger self, I would say, your love for travel and adventure has never died. You get to meet some amazing people, some who stay in your life and some who go, which is okay, as some are only meant for a season. You achieve some pretty cool things, but the one you're most proud of is the ability to form deep relationships with friends who encourage and uplift you. You're challenged to embrace putting roots down, even though you know this will create enormous heartbreak if you're led to move on. But this means you get to experience wholehearted community, which is so worth it. And you're happy and blessed to have some good people around you, including some amazing friends who want to travel to Sofia to celebrate you. So enjoy growing up, embrace the challenges, embrace the disappointment, life will be full of them. But most importantly, embrace the here and now. Don't live in the future, but cherish the present. It is a gift.